Welcome to accounting class. Today's lesson is on the difference between cash versus accrual basis of accounting. I am your instructor, Mrs. Anderson from Santa Ana College.
Great. That is an important topic and I have a lot of questions.
Accrual basis accounting follows the revenue and expense recognition principles and is accordance with generally accepted accounting principles or GAAP.
What do you mean by that?
Companies should recognize revenue in the accounting period in which the performance obligation is satisfied regardless of whether cash is received.
What about expenses?
Good question. The expenses should be matched with revenues in the period in which the company generated the revenues.
So, let's say a company completed a construction project in the current year and it incurred and paid salaries and other costs of $50,000 but didn't receive any payment for the job.
If you say they billed the customer $80,000 for the work performed, but haven't received cash payment yet. Using accrual basis, the company has accounts receivable of $80,000.
So, even though the company has not received cash payment on the job, they record the revenue.
Exactly. So, accrual basis net income in the current year is $30,000, which accounts for the $80,000 of revenue for service performed less $50,000 of expenses incurred.
If the cash basis was used, expenses would be recorded in the current year but revenue wouldn't be recorded until the cash was received in the next year.
Right. You can see now how the cash basis violates the revenue and expense recognition principles and is not accepted under generally accepted accounting principles.
In addition to accrued revenue or accounts receivable, which we went over, are there other adjusting entries needed to convert from the cash basis to accrual?
Yes, I'm glad you asked. Next class we will discuss other accrual adjusting entries such as accrued expenses, prepaid expenses, depreciation, and unearned revenues. I hope you enjoyed today's class on the difference between cash basis and accrual basis of accounting. I am Mrs. Anderson from Santa Ana College. Thank you and have a great day.